Hello, today we are solving Jan 2023. Hello, today we are solving Jan 2023 Unit 2 question number 4 Health Wave PLC Part E. Evaluate the purchase of Orion Pharma PLC from the point of view of a shareholder in Health Wave PLC. So what is the advantage for a shareholder when he purchases, when the Health Wave PLC is going to purchase the Orion Pharma PLC? Okay, we can see that there is a horizontal integration that is happening, which means that, okay, when there is a horizontal integration, okay, there is a economies of scale that happens, there is a growth that happens. So Health Wave PLC will enjoy the benefits of horizontal PLC as both companies are in the same line of production, which means they are going to acquire a competitor. Okay, probably. So it will enjoy the benefits of economies of scale, and there will be greater profits, and this will return increase in shareholders in the form of dividends. Okay, be leading to a rise in the share price. Okay, it will lead to share price increase, greater dividends. Second, we can see that Orion Pharma PLC, it has a large number of current assets, property, plant and equipment, and therefore a large figure of for intangible assets on a pharmaceutical company's statement of financial position would indicate a high figure for patents of medicines. So you have lot of assets, you can also use it for a patent, getting a patent. Then it has a high figure for retained earnings. Orion Pharma, which they are going to purchase, as a high retained earnings, so they are going to get profits, and these greater profits will aid in giving dividends to the shareholders. So that's why it's beneficial. Okay, but at the same time you should also consider what is the disadvantage of purchasing Orion Pharma PLC. Okay, we can see that Health Wave shareholders will see a dilution of ownership and reduction in the voting power, as the company has now more shareholders. I will have less, okay, the ownership. Large number of shareholders has come into picture. Then also a large figure of 40 million is being paid as a goodwill. This represents 13% of the purchase price. It is at 300 million. So at least 13%, 40 million is being paid more than their assets, okay, asset value. And also this is what is being, you can write, okay. So which means you are going to have, then also the market price of Orion Pharma PLC shares at the time of purchase, shareholders are receiving 2.50 pounds per share, which may be above or below the market price. Okay, we had calculated here 2.50, so you can say the same thing, that it can be above or below the market price. So which also indicates that the shareholders are losing out some price value. In conclusion, it's advantageous to take over Orion Pharma PLC. It is going to help in the growth, okay, of the Health Wave PLC, and increase the market share to have greater profits, which means more dividends for the shareholders will definitely happen. Okay, so you can give any conclusion, but you have to conclude. Okay, you can also say it's not disadvantageous, but here I have concluded saying